Hi, I'm Jay Thomas, Executive Director of the Vinyl Sustainability Council, and welcome to Viability in Action, a series of short videos about companies that received funding under the Vinyl Institute's Viability PVC Recycling Grant Program. Today we're here at Exeon Processors in Jonesboro, Indiana. Exeon is a recycling company that received funding under the grant program to help them to purchase some innovative new technology that allows them to separate PVC from other plastics in the wire and cable recycling process. So let's go inside and learn a little bit more about what they're doing. So I'm here with Zach Spellman, President of Exeon Processors. So Zach, thanks for taking time.
My pleasure. Thank you for coming down to see us.
Yeah, absolutely. So tell us a little bit about the business.
So Exeon, we are a copper and aluminum wire and cable chopper. We get insulated copper and aluminum wire. We run it through our granulation process and we recover the copper and aluminum, and then we supply it back to the various copper and aluminum consumers.
Excellent. So what was the challenge you were facing with the plastic? So the wire and cable is insulated with plastic.
Yep.
And then you have all this plastic left over.
Yeah.
What was the challenge that you were
So our industry landfills a tremendous amount of cable insulation. The problem that the industry faces is that there's no consumer that can take a mixed bag of cable insulation after it's been granulated and recover it or reuse it. And because, well, for a variety of reasons, but primarily because it's mixed. Not all plastic is the same. Mm-hmm. There's a bunch of different types. And so not everyone's material that they chop results in the same plastic output. There's different concentrations of different plastics. So there hasn't been a consumer today that's been able to consume it or run it through another process that was economical to use the cable scrap as a raw material for. Mm-hmm. So it's been landfilled for decades.
And so how did you overcome that challenge?
So we spent a lot of time studying the insulations on the cables that we were getting. And we have a close relationship with some of our suppliers, and we spent the time to diligence which cable has which type of material or which type of insulation. And we built out a process that would enable us to process our materials so that we could get a good clean product on the back end.
And so what is that product that you're on the back?
So we've been targeting PVC, but we have to get it at such an accuracy where our consumer can use it. So we need essentially 100% PVC to get that we supply to actually be 100% PVC. Right. Otherwise, our customers wouldn't buy it. So we're starting to have that success.
Great. And so you applied for a viability grant, you were awarded a grant.
Yep.
To help you buy some specialized equipment to help you
Yep.
with this process.
Exactly.
So can you talk a little bit about the importance of that grant
Yeah, I mean, without this grant, I don't know if we would have taken the leap and make the investment to actually go through with our hypothesis. So it was absolutely critical for our business case. Without it, I don't even know if the returns would have even penciled out to us being in the black. But regardless whether it would or wouldn't have, I don't think we would have taken that leap because it was a big gamble for us, and we had to augment our process. We've had to staff up, and without the Vinyl Institute, we wouldn't be here today.
And so the equipment's in place, it's running.
Yep.
How's it going?
We're about 2 months into operating. We're achieving greater throughput, production per hour metrics than we had anticipated. Now we're just ramping up. So we need more supply. We're actively working on it, and it's been a phenomenal success for us.
Excellent. So great success story. Yeah. So again, thanks again. I appreciate it.
My pleasure.